Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Musarif. They call me Lutfi. I'm from optimal class. In this occasion, I want to conversation with Miss Murni. Okay, Miss Murni, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Murni Aditya and I'm from Lightning Class. I am a thesis student. So, Lutfi, how are you today?
I'm good.
Alright.
What do you miss?
Of course, I'm on the top of the world.
Oh,
Alright. So, Lutfi, where are you from?
I'm from Kudus, Central Java. Right?
Java.
You know Central Java?
Just now, because I'm so far from my hometown.
Yes.
And then, what is your hobby?
My hobby are the fishing, hiking.
Wow, fishing.
Yes,
So,
fishing.
do you like beach?
Yes, I like beach, I like fishing, I like swimming.
Oh my God, same with me. I like that. Alright, so are you fresh graduate or what?
Yes, I'm first graduate from university, State Islamic University of Central Java.
What kind of major?
I major as Arabic language.
Wow. Arabic language and then you come to Bali? I mean, like, why did you come here?
Oh yes, so I think that's why I studied in college around three until 4 years. I feel confused study Arabic, so I wanna study different Arabic. So I think I choose English, and then I go here to BC. I studied English.
So what is your opinion on after you come here and then you study before that Arabic and now language? What is more difficult, like English or Arabic?
Yes, I think very different, but I think more easy English.
Oh, that's why you
Yes, how about you? Yes, where are you from?
I'm from Malukas. Malukas.
Oh, yes. Marcus is.
Ambon, do you know Ambon?
Yes, Ambon, Sulawesi.
No, it's different.
Different.
Yeah, it's different. Alright, so what will you do after you finished course here?
Oh, yes. I think I will study abroad. Continue. Study graduate from Arabic education, and then I will preparation for my life in speak English. So I wanna abroad study abroad at the country.
That's why you came here because you want to go abroad.
Yes.
And
How about you? Is are you
first
first
graduate?
graduate? Yes.
Yeah, I'm first graduate from senior high school.
Senior high school.
Yeah, so yeah, just I'm still in
Ambon.
now. Especially I said Ambon because many people don't know about my hometown. My hometown name is King Island.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if you like the beach, there is some beach in my hometown. So yeah, I think you have to come because the sand is one of the smooth sand in the world.
Okay.
Alright, so after come here, what do you think about people in Bali? I mean, like before you come here, you feel afraid or something like that. What do you feel when you come here? I mean, like to meet other people from different cultures.
So of course I feel very different, but I think in my hometown there is many friends Arabic. So and then I go here and then this English like that. So I think so hard with me. For me, there is
What? I mean, like you think like English is people here or English is more difficult? I mean, like
yes.
Oh, okay.
There is one of
Yeah.
difficult. It's my for me. That is difficult. So hard English. So hard.
So I think the time is up. So nice to meet you,
Okay,
to
okay,
know
okay.
about you. Oh my God, it's
Okay, thank
great.
you for your time, Miss Murni.
Alright.
See you. And then, as for me, and as I said, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.